In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a table in ClickUp. To get started, log into your ClickUp account and open the workspace where you want to create your table. This is important because tables are added inside a specific area of your workspace, so you'll want to make sure you're in the right place before you begin. Once you're inside your workspace, navigate to the exact location where you want the table to live. This could be a space, a folder, or a list, depending on how your ClickUp setup is organized. Take a moment here to confirm you're in the correct section, especially if you manage multiple projects or teams. At the top of the page, look for the Views bar and click the option that says Add. This is where you can create a new way to display your tasks and information. From the list of available view options, choose Table. This will create a table-style layout that makes it easy to organize and review your work in rows and columns. After selecting the table view, you'll be prompted to give it a name. Enter a clear and helpful name, such as Project Table. Using a descriptive name can make it easier to identify later, especially if you use several views in the same ClickUp area. Next, you can begin customizing your table by adding columns. In the upper right corner above the task table, click the plus icon or the Add option. From there, select the fields you want to display as columns. These fields help define what information appears in your table, so choose the ones that are most useful for the tasks you're managing. Once your columns are in place, it's time to add tasks. Click Add Task and type the name of your task. Then press Enter to place it directly into the table. You can repeat this process for as many tasks as you need. Now start filling in the task details. Click directly into the cells of the table to add or edit information like status, assignee, priority, start date, and due date. This makes the table especially useful because you can manage task details without needing to open each task individually. After that, use the available table controls to organize your view. These controls allow you to adjust what information is displayed, helping you tailor the table to your workflow and making it easier to focus on what matters most. Finally, review your table to make sure everything is displayed correctly and your tasks are organized the way you want. A quick final check can help you catch anything missing before you move on. Thanks for watching.